Hey guys, I'm Yuri from Zulu8 and today I'm going to show you how to project video footage onto your objects in cinema. I've made an image sequence using After Effects. I imported my video footage into After Effects and then exported it out as a JPEG sequence. So this is just a time lapse of some city footage that I got off the internet. Make sure you make a project folder. I'm going to go into the folder and make a text folder as well. This is very important because otherwise your images won't read properly. So grab your city sequence, drag it into the text folder and create a new scene. So then first of all I'm just going to hit save and save it in that folder. So I'll save it as city scene. Cool. So guys, I'm going to make an infinite white room to start with. If you want to know how to do that, just go check out Seb's tutorial on how to make an infinite white room. Alright guys, so I've made an infinite white room and I've just dropped in an Octane sky as well. So now let's start projecting our footage onto some geometry. I'm going to make a landscape. I'm going to scale that up a bit, and then I'm going to create a new shader. So I'm going to create an Octane material again, and this is where I'll put in my image sequence. So there are about 362 frames in there, so you're going to go into your animation settings and hit 362. So now let's create a camera. I'm going to drag and drop my texture onto my landscape, hit the texture tag, and then switch on camera mapping. Then I'm going to change the film aspect to HD TV, and I'm going to drag that camera into that little tab there. So now I'm going to open up the camera and set up the view of my scene. Now if you hit play or scrub through your timeline, you'll notice that your time lapse is being projected onto the geometry. So let's do something fun out of this. So I've got my landscape. Now I'm going to create this like wobble effect. So I'll get a formula, drag it underneath that, hit fit to parent. Now if you hit play, whoa, check it out. Now I'm gonna create a sphere and then create a cloner. Change it to radial, change it to XZ axis. Spread out the radius a bit. Get out of my camera view for a sec. And adjust that radius. That looks kind of cool. So now I'll go back into the cloner, give it a bit more of a count. Graph, we'll add an effector and we'll add the random effector. And we'll change that to noise. And let's change this to 40 and that to 30. And now just drag and drop that same texture onto the cloner. Go back into the projection view. Oh, I'm going to make sure that's set to camera mapping, and then projection camera's in there as well. So guys, that's how you project your video footage onto your objects in cinema. Hope this tutorial helped, and I'm Yuri from Zulu8. Thanks for watching.